Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today's video I'm going to be sharing with you some of my all-time favourite cleaning products I have tried and tested, and I would definitely recommend them to you for your cleaning routine. If you do enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up and a subscribe to my channel. Before we get into the video, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to so many of you that have recently subscribed to my channel. I'm on the road to hitting 1,000 subscribers soon, which is such a huge milestone. I've been doing YouTube now for coming up to 2 years, and 1,000 has just always been the goal. So thank you if you have subscribed, I really appreciate it. If you aren't subscribed and you like this kind of content, you like motherhood, cleaning, lifestyle, all those kind of things, then please consider subscribing. It's completely free to do, but it really does help me out, so I would really appreciate it. But now we've got that out the way, let's get into today's video. Okay, so the first product then that I want to talk about is the Method Cleaner. Now, they do so many different types of Method. I will link their website down below, so if you want to go and check out the other products, you can. But this is the Method Daily Kitchen. Now, this is a non-toxic surface cleaner, so there are no harsh chemicals in it. It's completely non-toxic, but it is also plant-based. So if you have kids or pets, it's really good to clean your children's surfaces, the kitchen sides, and your children and pets are going to be safe, basically. You can use this on so many different things. It's a completely multi-surface cleaner. You can use it on worktops, tiles, wood, stone, glass, and I pretty much use it on anything, mainly in my kitchen and the front room. But I use it on the high chair if George has used it. I will use it on George's dining room table thing that he has in the front room after he's eaten dinner. I'll use it on the work surfaces, the tiles, and I just haven't got to worry about George and eating off it or being around it because it's completely non-toxic. I know it's not going to hurt him. It comes in so many different scents. So this is the clementine scent, which is just incredible. It just smells so sweet and tangy, basically like an orange. And they also do a few other ones. So I think there's a pink grapefruit, there is a wild rhubarb, there's also a mint, a eucalyptus. I know the mints and the eucalyptus ones are like bathroom designed, but I'm pretty sure you can use most of them anywhere really. But it just says here that it's actually made from corn and coconut, which I didn't know. So yeah, it's definitely worth giving a try. I would definitely recommend this. Okay, so my next product then I would recommend is the Cif Perfect Finish Stainless Steel Cleaner. Now this is great if you have got stainless steel surfaces. I don't know if you can see it, this is my kitchen tap. It's like your draining board, your taps, your sinks, basically anything that is made out of stainless steel, the shower head, shower taps. If you want them to be sparkling and really, really shiny, I would definitely recommend this. It just gives it, or like it says, a really perfect finish, and just makes them look completely brand new again. Gets rid of any lime scale and water stains, watermarks, that kind of thing. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for something that's just going to leave your stainless steel and your silverware just nice and sparkly and clean. Okay, so next up then is the Star Drops The Pink Stuff, and I'm pretty sure everyone knows what the pink stuff is by now. It is such a popular product in the cleaning world, and it can be used on pretty much anything. I have filmed a couple of videos, I'll link them down below. I've done like a part 1 and a part 2 on what to use the pink stuff for, so if you want to go and check that out, look down in the description box. But basically this is a cleaning paste. It was actually established in 1938. I didn't realise it had been around for that long. But it's a versatile, specially formulated vegetable oil-based cleaner for use both inside and outside the home. 99% natural ingredients, environmentally non-toxic, non-hazardous formulation, and it's not tested on animals, which is great. But you can use this on pretty much anything, grouting, tiles, using it on your sinks, you can use it on windowsills, you can use it on radiators, you can use it on your doors, you can use it on barbecues, you can use it on the conservatory, you can use it on your pretty much anything. Some of the things it recommends here is things like barbecues, ceramic tiles, saucepans, cooktops, sinks, showers, garden furniture, paintwork, boats, because we all have them lying around, and brass, rust. The list is completely endless. So I would definitely recommend giving this a try. And then it leads me on to my next product quite nicely, which is the Supersonic scrubber. I think it's actually just called the Sonic Scrubber. I always just seem to add extra words to things. So this is the Sonic Scrubber. This is a power cleaning device that just helps get in like the nooks and crannies of things or small places, and just really works at it to get rid of any grime or dirt that is just really stubborn and not moving. So I use this a lot with the pink stuff. It really just helps lift up any dirt or, like I say, stains that aren't just coming away normally with a sponge or a cleaner. Just using this just seems to get rid of it a lot better. And this comes with a multiple amount of heads. So you've got a smaller sort of firmer one, you've got a soft brush for fabrics, you've got like a really small hard plastic one which is more for sort of like outside the barbecue, that kind of thing. But this is great. It's battery powered as well, so no wires or no leads, but I would definitely recommend picking up one of these and at least giving it a try. Okay, next up is Soflora. We all know what Soflora is. It's basically just a multi-purpose disinfectant. Again, I filmed a video on ways to use Soflora. I'll link it down below if you want to go and check that out. This is in the Live and Fresh scent. They do so many different scents, but you can use this for such a multitude of different things. You can use this to mop your floors, you can use it to rinse your cloths, you can use it to clean your scrub daddy and your minky. You can pretty much use it for anything. It's basically just a disinfectant that you can use as a spray. I normally sometimes put it in a spray bottle with some disinfectant and dilute it and use it as a spray around the house, just with like a microfiber cloth. But yeah, you can pretty much use it on kitchens, hard floors and tiles, dishcloths and sponges, I've already mentioned, your bathrooms, potties, drains, plug holes, hard surface areas. Sometimes if I want the room to smell really nice, I will fill the bathroom sink up or the kitchen sink up with some boiling hot water from the kettle and pop a capful of this in, and it just makes the room smell really fresh and lovely when you come downstairs in the morning. I would always check reading the back of the box because it does sort of explain, depending on what you're using it for, how much Soflora you should use part water, so you know whether you use it neat, straight or diluted. So yeah, I definitely recommend this if you're looking for a good disinfectant. Okay, next product then that I want to recommend is another pink stuff product by Star Drops, but this is the Miracle Laundry Oxy Powder Stain Remover. Now, if you have children, or if you don't, you might have a messy husband or a messy wife, but if you are someone that has children or family that just gets a lot of stains on their clothing, whether it's some food, I know George gets pasta sauce down him all the time. He is such a messy eater and his clothes always end up looking a bit stained and a bit grubby. So I've picked up one of the pink stuff whites. This is specifically for the whites, and you pop this in with your wash with your normal sort of softener, scent boosters, your normal tab and everything. Put it in like a white load only, don't mix your colours just so things don't run, and then add a good scoop of this into your machine. And everything comes out pretty much looking brand new again. There are some things that it doesn't work on, like really like hard stains that have probably been there a little bit too long, but if you catch it in time, this is definitely going to help and just lift that stain off the clothing. And even if you don't have any stains, if your whites are just looking maybe a bit grubby or a bit grey and you want them to be a bit more refreshed and looking a bit brighter, I would definitely recommend this as well. There are so many different oxy powders you can get. I have tried some in the past, but I saw this in B&M, I think it was on offer. I love the pink stuff in Star Drops anyway, so I thought I would give it a go, and I'm pleasantly surprised, and this is probably the one now that I will be sticking to. Okay, next product then is by a brand called Astonish. Now, Astonish are completely vegan products. This is a bathroom cleaner, and this works really well on your shower screen, your sinks, your taps, your bath, all the tiles, the actual shower head, trying to get lime scale off the shower head, all those kind of things. So it's a really good multi-purpose cleaner, specifically really for bathrooms, because it really targets like soap scum, also inside watermarks and lime scale as well. I know a lot of brands do like a bathroom cleaner. Like I say, I've tried the Method one in the past, which works really well, but this does have a few more chemicals in it, so it's not completely non-toxic, but sometimes I feel like it's better to have that in the bathroom because things can be a lot more stains can be a lot more difficult to get rid of, so sometimes I like to put a bit of a bleach in the bathroom, but yeah, this works really well. Like I say, I use this pretty much in all of my cleaning routines. I'll link my cleaning playlist down below if you want to go and check that out. Astonish, they do quite a few different products. They do a kitchen one, they do a bathroom one. They just do a whole range of different things, like a specific window and glass cleaner as well, which I have actually got in my cupboard. But for window and glass, I was going to recommend this, which again is made by Star Drops, which is the same brand that makes the pink stuff, but this is just a white vinegar spray, and the Astonish one is pretty much exactly the same, but this just seems to work a little bit better. It doesn't smell that great, it just smells like vinegar. It reminds me of in like a fish and chip shop or something, but it's really good at removing pretty much anything. You can use this in your laundry to get rid of laundry stains, you can use it on lime scale, you can use it on watermarks in the bathroom. It's really good for mirrors, like cleaning windows and mirrors. So I use this for my normal windows in my house and also all the mirrors around the house as well. And pretty much anything glass, maybe like the oven door, I'll use it for the microwave door, just anything to sort of get rid of any streaks, and it all comes out completely streak free as well. But again, it just says it's a first off formulation for removal of stains from laundry and hard surfaces such as windows, mirrors, bath and tiles, and also affected on lime scale. And all of these products are so cheap, especially the Star Drops one. I think I got this maybe for like 79p, I want to say, and it lasts a really long time as well. Okay, so next then is another Cif product. This is the Cif cream. It's 100% natural, cleaning particles, and it removes 100% of the toughest dirts. Now, I use this for pretty much one thing and one thing only, and that is my hob. So it's really good at really cutting through grease and foods that have been like completely burnt to the side of the hob, any like water that's like boiled over, and then it leaves that really horrible watery stain that for some reason won't move even though it's just water. But this can just pick all of that up. It just completely lifts all the dirt off, all the grime, all the grease, mix it with some water, and I normally just use like a Scrub Daddy or a Minky, something that's like a little bit abrasive, just to be able to help it pick up any extra dirt and grease that isn't coming off with a normal sponge. But yeah, this works really, really well. You can also use it, it does say you can use it in the bathroom, you can use it for like lime scale stains, for a damage-less surface clean. So you can use it in other places. I particularly don't. I normally just use this on my hob only. But yeah, you can use it anywhere else in the house that it does recommend as well. Okay, next product then to recommend is going to be the Flash Bleach Spray. I feel like everyone probably has one of these in their cupboards at home anyway. And there's really not a lot much to say about it, apart from I've just seen that it's free from ammonia and it's also free from added preservatives as well. It is quite dangerous, it's got bleach in it, so I don't usually use this around George, or if you had an animal I wouldn't recommend using it around your pets either. But if I'm doing like a full-on deep clean where I know that everyone's out the house, it's just me cleaning, then this spray normally does come out, especially if there are some stains or some grease or something that is just not budging. Bleach is definitely going to help with that. Just be careful around it because obviously it is a bleach. I normally use it and I open the windows because otherwise it can just sort of be a bit fumey inside, but I can use this on pretty much anything, whether it's the sink, the bin, the outside on like my conservatory side, pretty much anything I will use this for. Maybe like the toilet seat, anything that's going to need a bit of an extra clean, especially with the bleach being in there. I would definitely recommend it, but I feel like everyone probably already has one of these in their kitchen anyway. The last product then that I wanted to recommend was the Febreze Fabric Refresher, and this is made by Lenore. I use their softener. They have a few different other products, but this Febreze works really well. You can spray it on pretty much anything, any kind of fabric, so the sofa, the curtains, I use it like all on like the coat rack, rugs, the front doormat, anything that you just feel like needs a little bit of a freshen up but not a deep clean. If people are coming over or you're just wanting your house to smell a little bit more fresh, and you can spray fabrics until damp. Febreze removes odours as it dries, and on delicate items, definitely test first on the hidden area, just in case it doesn't work well with the product you're using. It does say do not use on leather, suede or silk, but apart from that, pretty much anything goes. And this is in the Spring Awakening scent. It just smells really fresh and sweet. So guys, that is the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, like I said, please consider subscribing and help me reach 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up as well. Like I said, I've linked all my other sort of videos and suggestion videos down below as well. So if you want to go and check those out after this one, you're more than welcome to do so, and give those a big thumbs up as well. But thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, bye bye.